Uline flat shelf utility carts are great for use in warehouses, offices, or anywhere a mobile work surface is needed. They have a spill lip that prevents small parts and tools from rolling off, and a bottom shelf that keeps contents in place. With a load capacity of 500 pounds, they can handle bulky and heavier items with ease. The durable polyethylene surface won't dent, chip, or rust. Their handles are reinforced for durability, and the handle tray organizes pens and small tools. Flat shelf utility carts are available with 5-inch smooth-rolling rubber casters that won't damage or mark floors, or 8-inch shock-absorbing pneumatic casters that roll easily over rough, uneven surfaces. Uline offers accessories to customize your cart, including a power strip and utility hooks. Uline utility carts are made in the USA. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.